Me and Laura spent a good amount of time talking about this. It's so fascinating is like, what's the risk if it's wrong? So if you're drafting an email and you're going to proofread the email anyways, and you're going to fill in all the details, the risk is pretty low, right? It's really not a big deal of like the AI tool getting it wrong because you're going to copy paste that pirate birthday party invitation, bring it over and proofread it. Brainstorming an idea, yeah, that's pretty safe because you're going to be um, just taking that and running with it. But then it changes though. Like I gave an example of the taxes, that's a big risk if I get that wrong. Um, or like determining allergens. Like if you're working on some nutrition or a recipe and you're trusting it with the allergens, like that could uh be life and death matter. Like that could be very, very serious. So I like to think of that as what's the risk if I get it wrong when I'm using it? Because, a quick little search, I'm like, hey, help me with this email, not a big deal. But if I'm asking it to come up with an output that has a higher risk, then it's like, okay, let's really focus and let's really see what this output is.